Hi my dear friends, Namaste all of you. Thank you for viewing our videos regularly. And today I came with a new series on interview sessions. That is, which I had faced in my life. And coming to the topic, so I had taken two characters for the easy understanding of the conversation during an interview. They are Mr. Engineer and the interviewer. Before going to the session, I want to give some tips regarding the interview, how to attend an interview. And first of all, friends, your face. Face is the recognition of your character, friends. And any of the interviewer will observe your face clearly. First comes under your craft. Your craft should be neatly combed and should be pleasantly. It should not be having any spikes or any irregular thing. It should be neatly combed, friends. And next, smile. Smile on your face. That is a small smile. Whenever you're talking, give a small smile so that it can gives a good impression on your way of talking, and it reduces the stress on you while talking or replying to the questions asked by the interviewer. And coming to the dressing, friends, dressing is very important thing on expressing your anything, because the first impression is the best impression. Whenever a interviewer sees you, he will observe from the top to the bottom, and he observes your body language and way of your dressing, how you are looking. The look you are maintaining is the first step to your interview, friends. And here, dressing plays a prominent role while attending to an interview. A neat dress will give you best impressions, friends, and your dress should be very neat. I will recommend formals because, friends, formals are the best and looks very pleasant and neat, friends. Generally, the shirt is of light color. No t-shirts or necks has to be wear while attending an interview. It damages your way of presentation and appearance. Generally, light color shirt that will be of light color, and checks are also allowable, friends. That should be in light color, and light color shirt and a dark color pant. Dark means any color means which is light blue, navy blue, or black. Preferably black is the best one. And coming to the shoe, you may be use any types of shoes, friends, that will be in black or brown. Wearing a shoe gives a pleasant appearance, and it enhances your way of presentation. These are the main important tips while attending an interview, friends. Coming to the topic, how we have to converse with an interviewer. So you had entered into the company and you are waiting for your turn in the interview. So once HR came and asked us, Mr. Engineer, please go to the interview room, and you had to say, okay, sir. And while going to the interview, please knock the door and open the door and ask for, may I come in, sir? And whenever I interview, sir, please come. And you have to move in front of the interviewer and you have to stand there, because whenever you directly occupy the seat, it doesn't mean you are not giving any importance to the interviewer. So you have to stand there until the interviewer told to sit. That is one of the important role, friends. And whenever he said to sit, you occupy your seat. Hi engineer, how are you? Yes sir, you have to say, yes sir, I'm fine. Tell me your name. Sir, my name is Harish Kumar. And interviewer says, tell me about yourself. So friends, this is the basic interviewer question, which in any interview he will ask this only, because he want to know what is your pronunciation, what is your talking, and what are you thinking about you, and what is your listening. Because he asked that please introduce yourself, so you have to tell about you only. For example, if it comes to me, how I can manage, I will show you how we have to reply. Sir, my name is Harish Kumar and I was born in Hyderabad and grown in Delhi. My father is an architect and mother is a housewife. Coming to my academics, I completed my SSC with an in Don Bosco School with a percentage of 73.22, and I completed my intermediate from Sri Chaitanya Junior College with 72 percentage, and I completed my graduation from JNTU Kakinada in civil engineering stream with 65.22 percentage, sir. This is about my academics, sir. My hobbies are reading books, learning new technologies from civil engineering point of view, and browsing about new things and new technologies. This is about me, sir. Friends, here you have to observe the interviewer will ask a single question and you are explaining about them, be conscious that you didn't have to get panic in any situation, and please don't put your hands on the table, because when you put your hands on the table you get relaxed and you may not concentrate. Please sit steadily and your back should be straight, and please concentrate on what you are telling to the interviewer. And please maintain an eye contact, friends. This is the most important things, friends. Whenever you are talking with your interviewer, please maintain eye contact so that your confidence levels and your way of presentation will enhance it in a right way, friends. In many of the cases, I will follow these rules only, friends. If you find this video valuable, please like, share and comment in the comment section. Please share to your friends. And this is Harish signing off. Bye bye.